What's up, guys? What's up, Cabalens? Today, I'm bringing you along for a unique experience. I have discovered a very cool barbershop here in our town. Join me as I show you what it's like to get a haircut at Mr. Barber. Alright, we've just arrived at the barber shop. As you can see, it's got that classic vibe with its badass brick design walls. Here are some of the talented barbers who make this place special. Each has their own style and technique, but they all share a passion for creating awesome haircuts. And now, it's my turn. As you can see here, the barber carefully starts to cut my hair with great precision. And after the haircut, I get to have a relaxing shampoo service. Next up, blow dry. And then for the last touch, styling, of course. Would you look at that? Clean, stylish, and looking good. After the haircut, you can get to choose a free water or juice. Awesome, isn't it?
What's up, Cabalen? So we are here at Mr. Barber in Heritage Village, Edmonton, Town Center. And you know what? I have met a fellow Cabalen here in this barber shop. Cabalen, kumusta ka?
Mayap.
Wow, ate, Cabalen yun eh. Oo, Taganaw ka rin. Taganaw ka rin na kaya katang.
Makabebe, pero tingin kami asawa ko taga Lubao yun. San Isidro. Pero magtuling Makabebe.
Nice. Pangagaling da kayo na, biyasala, talagang pulitin pangahulod, oh.
Oo, dako po kayo in Heritage Valley.
Okay.
Edmonton.
Alright, ayos.
Para niyo po yung
Cabalen in Canada.
Cabalen in Canada.
Alright, see you.
Once again, this is MJ Mendoza, and you are watching Cabalen in Canada. Goodbye.